Hello and welcome back. Today we're gonna learn jungle text effects. So let's start. Let's open Canva, choose our size from here. Let's go to elements and we're gonna use this picture of jungle. You can choose any of them. Set image as a background and go to add new page, change the background color to black and go to text, add the text box. Here write jungle. Make the picture bigger. Change the font to zoom rough bold. Like this one, and go to elements again and search for the jungle black and white. You can use this kind of pictures. Download this page as a PNG. Second page. And go to the first page and upload the picture. Upload it to our project. Let's remove the background. Like this one. Make the picture bigger. Here's the result. I hope you like it. Follow for more tips and tricks in Canva.